Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all I will show you how to block a number using directly your contact list, so how to block a number which is currently saved, and then how to block it manually, let's say. So first of all, let's open the contact list and find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the 3th icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block those numbers, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, both of those numbers, because we've got two different added to this particular contact, both of them are blocked. So as it was said, you want to receive I won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number requires entering the settings, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the 3rd icon and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to this list, which is a blacklist. And here we've got the numbers we just blocked from our contacts and one additional number. So in order to add a number manually, just tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can simply enter the number you want to block. Tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, at the very top we've got the option unknown, and after activating that, just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So if you would like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.